The ZSE yesterday.
Okay, so here is where you actually measure, activity in terms of, the political risk that's associated.
Okay, we're
And
back
also,
to the sanctions.
I mean, it's a clear measure. I mean, if you want to
Okay.
see, you gauge, risk. Sometimes you just have to look at the ZSE. What's happening? The major trade that's just happening is foreigners exiting the market through Old Mutual, which is a vote of no confidence in the economy, and also especially given the downward revisions by the IMF there to negative 5.2. We're going to see more investors piling out of the ZSE.
Yeah, but that's because of structural imbalances, not because of politics. That's where I'm disagreeing with you.
So foreign investor activity was at 5.5
The slides
million.
are up on the screen.
Trades, like I said, concentrated in Old Mutual at 4.2 million. But overall, we saw the market picking up. There were some gains in ISCO, and also Padenga was up, after the cautionary statement.
So let's talk about that a bit, because there is information in that we included that in the market report yesterday, that they want to invest in an avocado and macadamia operation in Manicaland, which is good for them because they've got one buyer for crocodile skins, and you cannot push production by a lot, and you cannot grow production by a lot, because at the moment their cap is at 46,000 skins per year. That's the only amount that the so what they then do is to try to negotiate on the price.
On the pricing, yes.
But that's not a lot because they can get $1 increase. But we know that crocodile handbags or watches or products are very expensive, and then these guys will just be profiteering. So for Padenga, it really makes sense to then go into diversify, so that they gain more.
So, I mean, the macadamia, is it anything related to Arston? I would probably think that there's a transaction around Arston itself.
I think it's a new, it could be a new operation, but it's a step in the right direction. Macadamia, big market in China. Avocado, I'm a firm believer of avocados as a person who likes beauty stuff.
Yeah, and also I think they have a strength in agriculture, so it makes sense to move along that line. But it would be interesting to have a tour,
You and tours.
Yeah, I mean, you need to see crocodiles, how they do and things like that.
Well,
so can you help us do that?
You organize. You're the tour guy.
Okay.
But prospects for the ZSE, what do you think is going to happen for the rest of the week?
No, it's clear that foreigners are going to move out. So Old Mutual, I'm forecasting the price of Old Mutual to actually come up. So it could be an opportunity to do the Old Mutual trade for locals. But yeah, that's the trend.
Okay, on the politics, ED is set to launch a 612 million appeal today for Idai rehabilitation. And they've also said yesterday at the